Thanks for joining me today. I'm Nunzia. Are you ready to make some individual UV resin earrings? Let's begin. These are the materials I'm using today. For our first step, form soft wire into circle and twist and secure the ends. Twirl the wire around your fingers 4 times to form the shape. Form whatever shape that you desire. Now place the wire on high temperature transparent tape. And make sure you firmly press down so that it doesn't leak. Coat the first circle with clear UV resin and spread evenly with your disposable nail brush. Repeat with the second piece. Blow gently with the heat tool to reduce the bubbles. Now coat evenly with the coloured UV resin. And now again applying a coat of coloured UV resin. Now I'm adding the black UV coloured resin to the first circle and repeating with the second piece. Now I'm using nail art stickers for my design. You can choose whichever you want, be inspired and use your own creativity. And again, I'm using coloured UV resin, making sure that I coat it evenly. And repeat again for the second piece. And it's important to wipe the overflow as it occurs. Otherwise you may have problems later. I'm putting a coat of clear UV resin now over the whole piece. I decided to add more embellishment. Play with it until you're satisfied. And again another coat of clear UV resin on both pieces. And now it's time to pay attention. See if you can observe what's different at the end of the video. How observant are you? Overflow can be problematic. Work slowly and try and avoid spillage. Now I'm cutting off the overflow. That's why it's important to work slowly. Another tip is to sand carefully afterwards or risk scraping the colour off the wire. Now I'm placing the pieces face down on the tape and coating the back evenly with the clear UV resin. Have you spotted the difference? Comment below. I hope you can use these resin earrings as inspiration to form your own very unique pieces.